Hey, why don't you and I do a deal together? We'll split the deal 50-50, the profits. You bring in the money and I'll do all the work. Hey, it's Kevin Amol's Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. Hey, you found us here on Facebook, you found us here on YouTube. Please help us out. Hit like, hit subscribe, leave us some comments. We want to build a community so we can help more real estate investors just like you. I have a fantastic guest and a fantastic topic today. Mr. Andrew Howie and I are going to discuss 4 ways to fund your flip. So, first one. You could go to a community bank, Howie, and get money from a bank to fund a fix and flip. The problem with this is they are really slow and they require large down payments. Yep. So when I say a bank, I'm talking about a community commercial bank. Those are the only ones that will actually fund part of the construction as well. Mm-hmm. Now, when you go to the local small community banks, they have long processes to get the approval. Right. So if you're willing to wait 45 over 30, but somewhere between 30 and 45 days, that might be an option for you. It is going to be lower interest rates, but there's going to be a lot of hoops to jump through.
A lot of your own money in the deal, too.
And a lot of your own money into the deal. So what's another way to fund a fix and flip?
Private's another popular one. This could be a good one. So what is private? It's your family member. It's a friend that you'll set up, whatever interest rate you want, whatever the points are. That can be a little bit tricky as well, just because, especially if it's somebody new that you haven't done this with before. Let's say it's a family member and they can get cold feet and pull out of the deal last minute and you could lose your funding. So that's never a good thing.
Yeah, and I've seen that happen.
Yeah.
We get a lot of calls, don't we, Howard? You're like, no, my lender just backed out.
Yeah, I just closed one a couple of months ago in that exact scenario. Exactly. Yeah.
So banks, and you can go private money if you're able to go out there and raise money from friends and family. Mm-hmm. Another way to do it is partnerships. So this can be very similar to private money, except for they're not going to be lending you the money to do the deal. They're going to be participating in the deal. So Howie, I might say, hey, why don't you and I do a deal together? We'll split the deal 50-50, the profits. You bring in the money and I'll do all the work and make sure it's managed correctly. So that's another way to do it. So I guess it is private money also, but it's more of a partnership arrangement.
I'd partner with you, by the way.
Thanks, man. Yeah. All right, so outside of those 3, what's the last way to fund a fix and flip?
Well, this is probably my favorite one.
I can't imagine why.
Hard money, right? The leverage that this gives you, the high leverage that you can do with this. So you eliminate the partner, so you're making more money there. You eliminate the private money, so there's less risk there. And you eliminate the banks, which is much more of your own money in the deal. And also it just takes a long time to do that. So the hard money we can close really fast. We can get your deal done, be an advisor for you as well. So there's just so much advantage to the hard money over the other 3 options, in my opinion, really.
Yeah, so hard money is really just private money from a more of an institutional feel to it. So it's something you can rely on, you can count on. We fund 100% of the deals we commit to.
Yeah, exactly.
So how do we get a hold of you?
You can see me at pinefinancialgroup.com. Happy to take a call or email and just talk shop and kind of go through all those scenarios in a little bit more detail with you. Thanks for tuning in, guys.